So this is a small video. In this, what we are going to see is, we are going to see about the console statement. Console statement. Okay. We are going to see about the console statement. Let me just, we already know that in JS, we use the console statement to the print something. So let me just go to the web development folder. Okay. We go to the web development folder. Inside web development, we go to the JS files, and then we'll right click, we'll open with code. This will be opened in new folder. I'll just closing all the files, and we'll be closing the script. I'll create a new file that is known as console.js. I'm writing console.js. Okay. Next, I will just attach this script here. I will attach this script here. Let me just attach this script. I will be writing script with the source attribute src with the console.js. Okay. Now let me just run this file in the live server. So I got this file running in the live server. And here we are going to learn about the console statements, not about the learning.js. It is about console statements. Okay, let me just go to this screen, and we can just see we are learning about console statements. If you want to see the output, you need to inspect this window, and you need to go to the console. Here we can see the console output. Next, moving forward, I can just write console.log. I will just write learning about console window. I'll just make this way, and you can just see we can get this learning about console window from the console.js line number 1. So next, we are not having only this log function. Okay, we are having some few other functions which are helpful for us in case of debugging the code. When your code becomes very long, right, it will be very difficult for you to debug. So for that, we are having some different console functions. Let me just try each of them. We'll write console.error. Sometimes when we have error at backend, we'll just show this way, showing errors here. Okay, showing errors. If I just say, it will just say showing errors, means it will be highlighted. If we get any other errors, like, it will be highlighting for us. Okay. Next, we have something console.info. If I just have console.info, we can just write information showing. Okay, let me just show you. It is information showing is equal to like console.info, right? It will be just equal to log statement only. Okay, console.info. Next, we have something called, we want to show some warning. It is like, let me just use some comments here before also. Simple console statement. Next, moving forward, we'll have one more comment that is called error in console. Next, we have info in console. We can make it comment. Next, we have something called warning. Okay, we can have a warning messages in our console. You can just say console.warn. If I just go with this, I will just write warning message. You can just check out. Okay, we got the warning message, right? It is a, like, first one is like a normal console window. It is the error window. It is information showing. It is the warning message. So we are having different kind of message alerts here. Okay, we are having different type of message alerts here from the console. So one more important is, we have something called objects. Let me just write one object. Let me just create one data. I am writing 1, 2, 3, 4 or something. A will be giving us error. Let me just make it a string. Hi. So, okay, we have A. I want to show this array. So normal console.log, if I just write A, print A, it will give you one object. Okay, you need to manually check this way. Okay, this is a simple array in the JS, but this is having some issue. Imagine this array is very small now, so it will be very easy for us to understand. But what if this array is having hundreds of lines and all these things? It will be very complex to read this way. So we have a function in console that is called console.table. Okay, console.table. Now it will show all these things in the table format. Okay, let me just create one more thing. Let me just create one object here. Let me just write name. I will be telling you these objects and all these things. Name, I will write Bablu. Let me just write age. We can have this age variable. Age, we can write 22. Next, we have Let us write, we can write gender. We can write male. This is an object, right? We need to write string. It is like male, male. So now if I want to make this in the table format, then I need to write console dot table. If I just normally console dot log, I will do this, right? Console dot log B. If I just do this, I will get this object here. So it is, I can just view this way. I need to just get this age, gender, all these things. But I want to show in the table format, in the beautified format. Then I need to use console dot table, and I need to pass the object. Now, so see, it gives us a table format. It gives us name. You can just easily find the value. You can just adjust the table. Okay. It is the table format you are getting. Okay. So this is how, these are some of the important console statements which are useful in the large codes when you debug. So this is a small video.